Okay, good day everyone. My name is Joanna Kim D. Alcantara, and in this video, we will learn about the statistic module in Python. This module is used to perform a statistical and mathematical operations on numerical data. It provides built-in functions, or yung mga ready-to-use na, which can help us para mas mapabilis or mapadali yung pagkakode natin or yung pagsasolve ng mga statistical problems. Some of the commonly used functions in this module is yung pagkuha ng central tendency, including mean, median, mode, standard deviations, and the variance. To use this module, we first need to syempre, kailangan muna nating i-import yung module na gagamitin natin, which is yung statistic. Import statistics. Okay. And then, gagawa tayo ng, let's try na gumawa ng program na magko-compute ng kanyang central tendency using yung mga functions under statistic module. First, let's say marks. Itong marks, ito yung magsaserve as our variable. And then, we need to create a list. Let's say 88, 95, 94, 87, and 85. Okay. Next, kukunin natin yung mean niya. Alam natin na pwede natin kunin yung central tendency without using statistic module, wherein kailangan nating gumamit ng loop. Pero dito, ang goal ng statistic module, mas mapapabilis siyang makompute or makalculate yung central tendency. Hindi na natin kailangang ilagay yung formula ng mean, ng median, and mode, and etc. Okay, let's say mean is equal to, gagamitin natin yung function ni mean under ng statistic module, which is statistics.mean. And i-include natin yung marks. Next one is median. Then marks, okay. Next is mode. Ganun lang din. Actually, pwede nyong i-copy na lang yan, but para iwas error na rin, is isa-isahin na lang natin or magmano-mano na lang tayo. Statistics dot mode. Okay, include yung marks. Okay, let's check if tama ba yung mga variables na ginamit natin. Mean, median, and mode. Marks, okay. Siyempre, hindi pwedeng mawala yung print dahil hindi natin makikita yung output ng ating ginawa. Okay, let's say ang string na gagamitin natin is ang mean ay print me. Okay. I'm sorry. Next is print ang median median. And the last one is mode. Okay. Let's try na i-run. Let's say statistic module. Save. Yan, lumabas yung kanyang mean, median, and mode. Ang mean is 89.8, median naman is 88, and also the mode. Okay, so ayan yung isa pang way para makuha natin yung central tendency ng mas mabilis sa pamamagitan ng paggamit ng statistic module. Marami pa siyang function. Pwede niyong explore or itry. Okay, let's say kuhanin din natin yung kanyang standard deviation at saka yung variance. Say SD, ganun lang din ulit ang gagawin natin. Statistics dot stdev. Okay. And then include natin yung marks. Sa variance, ganun lang din. Statistics marks. Okay. Huwag nating kalimutang i-print. Actually, pwede nyo tong isahan ng i-print kung tinatamad kayo or nahahabaan kayo ng ganito. Pero ginawa ko siyang ganito para mas maintindihan. Okay. Ang SDI, print SD, and the last one is the variance. Okay. I-check muna natin kung tama yung mga variables. SD for standard deviation and variance. Okay. Try nating i-run. Oh, yun. Kulang tayo ng items. Kulang tayo ng asan yan? Eto. Variance. Kaya kailangan talagang i-double check bago i-run kasi hindi natin nakita na hindi pala natin lalagyan ng variance. Magra-run na yan. Yun. Ayan yung mean, median, mode, standard deviation, and yung kanyang variance. Actually, yung standard deviation, pwede natin siyang gamitan ng 0.2f para maging 2 decimal point. Okay, let's try another example, another function using statistic module. Ito na rin yung gamitin natin na marks. Let's say, kunin na naman natin yung highest and yung lowest using the maximum and minimum functions. Okay, tanggalin na natin to. Also this. Para makonti na lang. Okay, let's say kukunin natin yung kanyang highest is equal to maximum. Yung maximum is built-in function na siya. Okay, ready to use. So, include natin marks. Actually, pwede itong gamitin kahit hindi sa statistic module. Pero pinapakita ko lang din na pwede din natin siyang gawin using statistic module. Okay, the next one is the lowest. Let's use mean or minimum. And then including ulit yung marks. Okay. Print. I'm sorry. Ang highest ay highest. Next one is lowest naman. Okay. Ang lowest ay print lowest. Okay. Try natin siyang i-run. Ayan, ang highest ay 95, ang lowest naman ay 85. I-check na natin. 95 and 85. Okay, tama. Okay, ayan, yung mga ginawa ko, diyan na ipapakita yung iba't ibang gamit ng mga functions under the statistic module.